Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update Intel drivers and software are up to date. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download. Click download now. Click run. Click run. Check I agree to the license terms and conditions. Click install. Click accept. Click launch. Your Intel drivers and software are up to date. Information is displayed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.